After I have tested this MacBook A1151 from 2007, I understood that I probably never will buy something that old, especially from Apple. Do you remember my iMac 2006 which I already sold? In that video I said that alternative operating systems for these devices fit best. And today we'll test it on Windows 7 and the Linux. And what upgrade fits any old device? Of course it's an SSD. While you are subscribing on my channel and liking this video, I will tell you about its upgradability, and this MacBook is surprisingly upgradable. All you need is just a coin and Phillips screwdriver. One movement and you have access to a drive and RAM. By the way, by pressing on this button you can check the charge. Then all you need to do is to unscrew 3 Phillips screws. Now we have access to RAM and, what is more important, to drive. By the way, to change drive in the case you will still need star screwdriver, but in this video I decided just to use magic. Installing Linux Mint, and let's go to our favorite part, YouTube test. But with one little addition, I will launch Resource Monitor before starting a video, so you could see how this poor little thing suffers. Although if you are blind, believe me, it will find a way to notificate you that it cannot take it anymore. Unfortunately, even 720p videos in 60 frames are not smooth. And the problem is not in disk, not in RAM, but in the CPU. It's throttling. And also, I'm not sure, but maybe also the problem is in the APU, because it's very weak. But anyway, CPU is throttling for 100%. Just hear it by yourself, it's impossible not to hear, it's loud as hell. While I am re-editing this video, this thing decided to break. The problem can be in laptop or, well, I don't think that the problem is in laptop. I am not showing it to you that you would like this video out of pity, but also for you to write comment how sorry you are for me. Well, okay, in order to tell you that if you decide to buy such a laptop, you should know that the cost of its charger is usually more expensive than the cost of the laptop itself. So, just my recommendation, if you need this thing for some sort of work, better buy ThinkPad if you need at least a little power, or PoorBook if you need energy efficiency. Well, at least we can use it as a portable typing machine, but most likely only in your dreams. Yes, despite the fact it has really great keyboard and touchpad, you need to find a laptop with changed battery because original batteries are dead. I will remind you, this is a laptop from 2007. It should have upgraded hard drive to an SSD and upgraded RAM at least to 3, better to 4 GB. And the most important, how much do you think this thing will cost then? I also forget to mention that it has pretty good speaker. Unfortunately, we have very limited device, and you may ask, what about Windows 7? It will not save the situation. Compare it to 64-bit latest version of Linux Mint which I installed, it's of course smoother, but it does not save the situation, as I already said. I don't want to spend your and my time on this video anymore, so if you wanted to buy something like that, I would advise you to think twice, because I do not recommend this thing, unfortunately.